Binance, the world's #1 exchange. This is the most reliable and liquid platform for cryptocurrency trading. Binance was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao and quickly conquered leading positions in the market. Key metrics: over 283 million registered users, more than 500 coins available for trading, exchange fees up to 0.1%, largest financial reserves among all exchanges, maximum market liquidity, huge selection of trading instruments, spot, futures, options, P2P, and much more. Don't store money on exchanges. Keep only the amount needed for operational trading, while main fund storage should be done through personal wallets. Don't forget that all exchange links with maximum registration bonuses are in the description. That's all from us. Subscribe to our channel, there will be many more useful crypto videos in a compressed format. See you next time!